Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Design Adda. In this video, we will discuss the requirements of feature and how we can inspect the geometry. So let's start. So first of all, go in sketch mode and select the plane here, and to view properly, select the sketch view. Now here you can see that in the inspection group, we have the feature requirements and some inspection. Here suppose I am creating one circle here, rectangle here you can see that shaded look is there, so this indicate that this one is a closed loop. Here the shaded closed loop is highlighted here. This one is a closed loop geometry. If you uncheck this one, you can see that this one is now not showing any result. So at that time we don't understand this one is a closed loop or not. In some complicated geometry, we need to check this one so that we can easily identify the closed loop is completed or not. The shaded portion is indicating that this one is a closed loop. So suppose here I am deleting this one. So now you can see that these are the ends, highlighting ends. So these ends are highlighting. So this one is because of we have checked this one highlighted open ends. So in some cases here it is indicate that there are the open ends. So this one is indicating that these are the open ends. The geometry is not a closed loop. So we have to check this one also. Now suppose this one is a have geometry and I have overlap this dimension here. So now here while working you don't understand why it is not showing closed loop. So at that time you must check the overlap geometry, because here some lines are overlap. So for that we will check the overlap geometry. Now here you can see that the geometry is highlighted. The geometry is highlighted. In that portion from here to here we need to check. So how we can check? Just by deleting the geometry. Select here and delete. Say delete. Now you can see that this one is the now it is complete closed loop. So in this way we can inspect the points, tangency and the entity. So how we can use this one? So while working on the different files like step file, IGS file, where some shape you can't recognize the shape of that line geometry. So for that purpose we can use this entity like intersect point. So you can directly say this one and this one. You can directly identify the intersect point at where the intersect point is there. So you can inspect like this. Suppose you have the entity, select the entity. So this one is the entity whose length, it will show length, type is line, like this. The information, it will give some information, some tangency point like this. Suppose I have the tangent constant here, so it will give you tangency point. So here it will give you tangency point. So in the inspection group we must check this one closed loop, or it is open end, or overlapping geometry is there or not. If we click on the feature requirement, so here it is saying that section must contain the geometric entities. So suppose I have created the geometry here. So now the condition is satisfied here. So now you can directly click OK. So this one is sketch is created. So here I am editing this sketch, and suppose I have deleted this reference. Now you can see that the feature requirement here, it will show you there are some missing reference. So if you directly say okay, so here it is saying that section is incomplete for the region listed. Why? Here it is already we have seen that there are some missing reference, so we have to take that reference. So here I am selecting these two plane and say okay. Now in the system requirement, if you go in the system requirement, all are green status, so directly you can say okay.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. And for new updated video, please hit the bell icon.